hey, 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 hey. Look up yourself. Look up yourself. All that.
Get in there. Move a hit more.
Huh?
Move a hit more. Get enough.
Come. Oh, you know, say me a shipping man. I mean, come carry back them. Yeah, watch her go on. No respect.
Oh, was that like? Oh, sorry. Just,
Yeah, man.
I mean, I'm gonna need it.
All right. I want to play a song. That I play. Give me one of that tune. If you can put on the internet, because I want to full of bad word. Which song do you want? A big dance. A dance off, you know that. Give me a ding dong there. Give me a ding dong there. Alright guys, just in time party delivery. We will ship your items from overseas. Get them delivered to you for your party. We are making party nice today. What me say? Hey, hey. We're in Central Village. We come to keep a party, get a party going. Customer just shipped some items from overseas and we got them delivered just in time for the party. As you can see, they're setting up. And we're really happy that we're a part of this. As you can see, it looks like a birthday party for a little baby. So we're really happy. We appreciate the fact that we were able to ship the item, get them delivered here in Jamaica at the customer's yard just in time for the party. You can hear the music I play, but there we have all our vibes. Hey, we not get a Guinness yet. I'm on bring a Guinness to me there. So we're here, guys. We're on the delivery trail. No respect. The whole of Central Village. Big up on yourself. We know say all of village are there tonight because a big thing are going on. Alright guys, take care of yourself. I hope everybody take care of themselves. And me see you now again. Bye bye. Later, me gone back. Dirt bunks. I hope I saw you go. I hope I saw the dance go and nobody now laugh off of me.